Note, when the USV is on shore, it must be placed on a thick, soft pad at all times to prevent damage to the multi-beam sonar and side skin sonar. Open the battery compartment cover. This is where the battery should be placed. Gently lift the hand for easier insertion. Press the battery down. The red latch rotates to lock the battery in place. This shows both batteries installed. There are 2 battery connection cables underneath the batteries. Plug the battery connection cables into the battery ports. Battery installation complete. Close the power compartment cover. Short press to turn on the light, then long press until a long beep is heard. Power on complete. Short press. Long press the controller power button. Icon appears. Power on successful. Now the USV can be placed into the water for operation. Short press the industrial PC. Light turns on, then turns off, indicating shutdown complete. Short press then long press. Release when the third long beep is heard. Open the battery compartment cover. Unplug the power connection cable. Unscrew the latch. Then the battery can be removed. Unscrew the compartment cover counterclockwise. Unplug the multi-beam data cable. Pinch this part and pull outward. Unscrew the waterproof nut counterclockwise. Pull out the cable. Remove the rubber sleeves, limit blocks, and nuts. Unscrew the multi-beam antenna. Unscrew the 4 red screws. Remove the multi-beam. When replacing, the notch faces rear, the circle faces rear. Gently lift the bow so that the side skin sonars, the flat surface is close to the hull, making it easy to tighten the fixing screws. Tighten the 4 red screws. First tighten to diagonal screws 1 turn to check alignment. Do not fully tighten until all 4 screw positions are confirmed. Then tighten. Install the nuts, rubber sleeves, and other components in order. Feed the cable through. Install the rubber sleeve, etc. Then finally tighten the waterproof nut. Do not fully tighten yet. Connect the routed cable to the decoder. Align the red dots. Switch the power supply to side scan. Note, route cables to the side. Do not place them on top of the industrial PC or other equipment. After internal adjustments are done, tighten the waterproof nut clockwise and close the compartment cover clockwise. Then reconnect the battery. Close the battery compartment cover properly. Power on the USV, it is ready for use.